Alright, so here we got a big stainless steel tank that we found at the dump and brackets that I welded to hold it in the back of the Subaru. That side's got a tube that goes all the way to the bottom and a hose bib. This side has got a gauge and hose clamps and crap and a hose, and then this hose goes over to this regulator, to this valve, to my air compressor over there. And then we also have this decommissioned oxygen tank with another 125 psi. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open this valve and we're going to pre-fill this tank, hopefully with about 10 psi, and hope it doesn't explode. That's goal one. That gauge isn't even moving, Owen. I don't think that's going to do us any good. This regulator sounds like it's slowed down though. This is what it was doing last night. Alright, I got 10 psi holding in the tank. I think it's still moving. I think I filled a lot quicker than last night, but then again I think it was pretty empty last night. Think I should put more in? You think 10's good? Okay. Alright, so I'm going to turn that off, and yeah, that becomes disconnected. Okay. Alright, and then we switch over to this here tank. So we already have 10 psi pre-filled in there, and now I got to set you down there. Okay. So now we've got a regulator, wait a second, Churcher, hooked up to this tank, also set to 10 psi. Okay, I can hear it moving air. I don't know if it's going to stop once that regulator hits what it's supposed to hit. Yeah, 10 and change, maybe 12. What does this guy say? And that's barely even moved. I think we probably have 5 psi in the tank. Alright, so let's get the show on the road. You ready?
Do it.
Okay, here, you turn that. I will start the stopwatch. And go. Ta-da! So this hopefully will, this whole thing will be in back of Carrie's car, and she can do this over at her her little community garden, where she doesn't have power or water. So now we're just going to watch the stopwatch and see how long this works with that tank of air. But haha, proof of concept, it works.